Hello, everyone. I'm Sarah, and welcome to Easy English Practice. I'm so happy you're here today. In this lesson, we're going to learn English by talking about a simple daily routine. If you're just starting to learn English, don't worry. I'll use easy words, speak in a simple way, and help you understand every sentence. Take your time, listen carefully, and try to repeat each sentence aloud. Remember, every small step helps you become a better English speaker. Let's begin with the morning. I usually wake up at 6 a.m. First, I make my bed and open the window to let in some fresh air. Then, I brush my teeth, wash my face, and get ready for the day. After that, I enjoy my breakfast. I often eat toast, fruit, or eggs, and drink a glass of milk or tea. A healthy breakfast gives us energy and helps us stay active. When breakfast is finished, I organize my books and prepare everything I need for the day. Keeping things clean and organized saves time and makes me feel relaxed. During the day, I study, learn new English words, and complete my work. I like reading short English stories and practicing simple sentences. Every day, I learn a few new words and try to use them in my own sentences. I also remember to take small breaks. I drink water, stretch my body, and rest my eyes for a few minutes. These short breaks help me stay focused. In the afternoon, I have lunch with my family. I enjoy healthy food like rice, vegetables, chapati, or soup. After lunch, I relax for a little while before continuing my work. Later, I spend some time speaking English. Sometimes I talk to myself in English, and sometimes I practice with my friends or family. Speaking every day helps improve pronunciation and confidence. I also help at home by folding clothes, cleaning my study table, or helping with simple household work. These small responsibilities teach good habits. In the evening, I like to relax. I may read a book, listen to English conversations, or watch educational videos. Learning a little every day is better than learning a lot in one day. Sometimes I go outside for a short walk. Fresh air and light exercise make me feel fresh and happy. At night, I have dinner with my family. After dinner, I prepare my clothes and school bag for the next day. Planning ahead makes the morning easier. Before going to bed, I spend a few minutes reading or reviewing the English words I learned today. Then I go to sleep around 10 p.m. A good night's sleep keeps us healthy and ready for a new day. Now, let's practice a few sentences together. Repeat after me. I wake up early every morning. I eat a healthy breakfast. I study English every day. I practice speaking with confidence. I help my family at home. I prepare for tomorrow before I sleep. Excellent. Keep practicing these sentences every day. The more you speak English, the easier it becomes. Don't be afraid of making mistakes because every mistake teaches you something new. Now it's your turn. Write 5 or 6 simple sentences about your daily routine in the comments. I'll be happy to read them. Thank you so much for learning with me today. I'm Sarah, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Keep smiling, keep practicing, and keep improving your English. Bye.